Gotta push upward. Hey guys, today is leg day. My favorite day, but also the most difficult to record in the shed, I would say. Only because about how limiting things are, but as long as I just squat, go up and down, I think that's all I need to do. To have get some big old legs, I guess. Okay. It's getting really moist in here, like hot. It's getting toasty in here, like mucho ducho. Okay, let me put on some music and we'll get going. Hope you guys are doing good. I hope everyone's having a great day. I hope you guys been going great with your gym sessions, with school, with work. I hope everything's been going good, guys. I hope everyone's striving to be better each day, because what else? We're given one life, and try the best to achieve whatever we can in that life. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay. Let me put you guys look a little dirty. Put you guys there. Okay. That's still there. Oops. Put that there. Okay. One day I might get a better bench, and this can be thrown in the freaking trash. Or I can just put it as a secondary one. Because I do not like it. Okay. Is everyone ready? Okay. Sorry guys. I don't know, what do you guys tend to I guess substitute? What's the easiest thing you guys try to do to like substitute like rice or potatoes? Like what other food do you guys use as like some sort of carb, I guess? Or if anything, what meats do you guys try to like go in there? Because sometimes I struggle with that. I've been struggling with that, but I think so far my cut, I feel like, is going pretty good. I'll for sure post a weigh-in in the next few videos for sure. So let's just get to it. This might be a short video or a long one, but we'll see. My battery's at 0.5%. There we go. Let's go. Sorry guys, I'm trying to figure out the best. There we go. I think that's good. Maybe RDLs, let's see how this goes. Hey, it's hot in here. Okay. Big water. It is cold. It is cold. I'm already being delusional. It is hot in here. Sorry guys, I'm kind of like just trying to catch my breath a little bit. But let me see. There you go. Perfect. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Meow meow.
Meow.
That's my cat. I don't know if you saw.
His booty?
His cat booty. It's boiling in here.
No, you don't need to be over there.
There's a snake.
Come on.
I haven't killed the snake. The snake's been there for a while.
Ow! Stop! You're hurting me! Delete that out of the fucking video. Why did he scratch me so hard?
Because he wants to get down. He wants to
be
hide away.
in the fucking by the snake. Fine.
He wants to be in the
Fucking
dust,
bitch.
in the dirt.
Ow. You bleeding?
It looks red.
Yeah, I'm fucking bleeding. All because you wanted to smell that pole.
He wants to smell the table and bite it. What was that? You hear that?
A bird.
Oh, I was like, is there a rat in here?
It sounded like one.
Yeah, it sounded like a rat.
Are you happy? Are you happy now?
It looks happy. What's up? You're a little red. Go, bro, go.
He just wants to go outside. Oh, you scared me.
Oopsies. I am dripping in sweat, guys. Okay, let's do some more sets. I gotta push upward. I'm getting pretty tired. Okay. Sorry guys, this is getting very hot in here. Hey, take out and put the AC out and put it out here. This is not fun. Or just the fan. What do you guys think? Just put this over here. A little bit more. I don't know. I don't think I can officially do any more leg stuff, but I'll definitely showcase my legs. See, I can try to get some good angles. Oh, they look funny, huh? I feel like they do look kind of funny. So what the hell? I don't know. I don't know. They don't look that impressive. Wiggle, wiggle. I don't know. I don't know. I'm not sure. Sorry if you guys were disgusted by that, but sooner or later, it's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be a beautiful thing to look at. Maybe it's this hair. Maybe it's my mullet that's making it everything unbearable. Oh man, that is like intense. Whew. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go. It's getting really hot in here, and I need to freshen up because probably gonna get a heat stroke soon. No, I'm fine, but it's just hot in here. I don't think I could efficiently have a workout for too long. And I already went to the gym before this, did some cardio, so maybe that's why I'm a little exhausted. So like, yeah, so thank you guys for watching, even though it wasn't the craziest leg day ever. No, don't worry guys, soon my content's gonna be crazy awesome. But for now, just bear with me. I just want to say thank you guys for sharing, for liking, for commenting, and for just watching my videos. I appreciate every single one of you guys. You guys can help me out, subscribe. I appreciate every subscriber, every share. Heck, if you guys want to put me in one of those TikTok edits with the funk music where everyone's going crazy at it, just put me in there for like a split second. Nobody will even know. Everyone's gonna be like, who's that? I don't know. But yeah, just trying to speak things into existence, you know. There's nothing wrong with that, you know. But it is bad when you're like trying to like get the better of someone or try to, like, I don't know, be greedy. I'm just being hopeful, and I hope you guys, all of you guys, can be hopeful too. You gotta have faith in your dreams, you know. So one day at a time, just one day at a time. it'll happen. In the meantime, I'll see you guys later. God bless you guys. Hope you guys have a blessed day, have a blessed night, blessed day at the gym, whatever you guys are doing, wherever. I'll see you guys later. Bye.